Hey, welcome back to another video. Nervous Mechanic here. Another beautiful day in Colorado. As you can see, getting kind of dusky, but still nice out. Here with we're gonna be doing a light install video today. And as with everything, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. I probably won't make any money on them till I hit like 1,000 subs, and I'm at like 150. So, yeah, YouTube and their demonetization. Gotta love that. Not endorsed, just doing a video. So, let's. Okay, so I wanted to start this. I got one of these installed, so this will make it quicker since I don't have a lot of light. So, we're gonna do this kind of quick. So these lights are called, these are like the Moritomo that you get from Tacoma Beast, the super bright LEDs. This is from a company on Amazon called Fiery Red. There's another one called D-Line. There's a handful. So these had great reviews. They're 5,500 lumens, and since everybody's gonna try to quote me verbatim like they usually do, we'll go on Amazon right now and we'll look. They are 5,500K, LED, IP, the 68 waterproof rating, for 2000. These are for 2010 second gen Tacomas, but they fit down to like 2005 supposedly. But check with your size because it might not work. Basically, they say that these lights are 100% plug and play, but that is a different story. With a supposedly fits a Sequoia, Tundra, Solera, and Tacoma. But they're 5,500K off-road, 50,000 hours, 15 watt rated power. So, so this is a kind of a comparison. This is my old light with the bulb. If anybody wants these, let me know. And this is the new one. Now it comes with the plastic. It also comes with the connector right there if you have to rewire it. Oddly, they say it's plug and play, so it might be different, but the quality is actually pretty good. They're very solid. All these types of lights look very similar. There's really not that much of a difference on these. Now with the 2010 Tacomas, they gave you this little plug piece. Now the biggest thing when I did the first install, as you can see, it's already in and done. I got to finish covering it, but this plug here, this clip on this one will fit. Now when you plug this in onto the clip on the factory light, the wiring, this clip actually, this here, when you compare the two, which I will in a minute, I'll show you guys, this clip itself is actually about 1/16 of an inch short than the factory one. So it actually hits sooner into the plug, and therefore this piece cannot click over this little tab. So therefore you have to actually put this wiring in, which is super easy. It's not hard, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So, but these are really good. And the end of this video here, I'm going to show you guys, here's a picture of it all done. I'm going to show you guys what this thing looks like, and it'll look better when it's dark out, so you just kind of have to see what it looks like now. But maybe I'll do a light one. I'll probably will, because that's a good idea. With this, you'll need, for me, I had a multimeter, some shrinky dinks, some clips, a light, I've some liquid tape, and a you know, if you want to shrink them, you can, depending on what you want to do. I don't take this thing out of the water. I just mainly just make sure everything's covered up, so it's not too bad. So we're gonna start on the second light over there, and I'll get going. I'll see you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me. Sorry, there's a train going past and I had to wait. You can probably still hear that. So there's your enclosure under your bumper right here. There's your plug, and so this is gonna be your light. This is what comes out. Your light sits just like this in your enclosure. So I'll put it back kind of up here, you can kind of see, just like that. So pop it out. Now you got these two tabs on the sides. You just press those in,
They don't really move, but they'll move if you use a screwdriver. And this piece, this adjustable little screw here with the white piece on it, the ones I bought actually have the built-in clip. Some of them, from what I've seen, don't have that. So on these ones, you just have to take this piece off, unscrew it, just use the white piece, unscrew it, put it into the other one right here, this one, just transfer it over, and when you take it out, you have to push these little tabs here and the thing will slide out. It's super easy. Anybody can do this. And you slide it out just like this. Now you come out, and what you're gonna do, basically you're gonna try to do this with one hand if I can. Might not be able to. Just like so. I don't know why I keep using a GoPro, because this GoPro has a crack in it, and I think I'm gonna have to switch because I got a really nice Sony vlogging camera that I bought with. I got a mic and everything for it, and I should use it, but this camera is so much easier. Alright, give me just a sec. Okay, so this is what it looks like screwed in. Go about halfway, and then you can adjust it. About halfway is about your starting point, and then you can press it in. And basically, when this goes in, make sure you pop this guy off here. Let's see if I can do this. There we go, prop that off. Now, you're gonna basically go to your slot. This is what it looks like. Now it's gonna face down. There's your hole, just like this. You're gonna slide that guy just like that in here, and it should, if you're lucky enough, you should be able to, it should snap right. Well, you might have to actually, we'll jump underneath here. You might actually have to get under here, and I know it might be kind of hard to see. You might have to adjust this a little bit. Let's get this wire out of here for you guys, if I can. There we go. Now you can kind of, the clip there is on the bottom, right here. Now you might have to adjust it a little bit to get it to fit, or you'll have to turn it a little. There you go, just like that. And I might have to set this down here for a minute. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so it is in. That's a good starting point. So go about halfway with that clip when you put it in, and then you'll see there's a tab there and one on the other side. And hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna move it a little. That's pretty solid. Now, the clip you're gonna need to cut and redo is this guy, and it's super easy. It's literally like, your green is your power. On the Tacomas, it might be different on yours, but on this model, the green is the power, and then you have a white with, like, I think it's a black stripe. That's your ground. So just match up your coloration on your clip is right here. So you just match up your power and your ground right here. Just match them up and clip them into place, which I'm going to do right now, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna wrap this up here, give you guys a quick demo as I'm running out of light. So one thing, always check your connections with your multimeter for safety. Make sure you got power going to your power and your ground. Always use that. We're gonna jump under here. Now it can be kind of a tight fit, and I've had to redo these once or twice, but that's kind of, if you can see this is basically what it looks like. It's crimped and then connected, and then basically for me, what I'm going to do with these ones, I'm not soldering these, I'm just going to do liquid tape and then some black tape, and then I'm going to put loom over them, and they'll be good to go. I'm not fording rivers or anything like that. This is pretty much, it's pretty solid where it is. It'll be fine for now. Any of my large battery stuff, like my dual battery stuff, any of those big cables, all those lugs, everything gets soldered for that. But this is what this pretty much looks like when it's done. cover it however you like. And we're gonna come up here. Oh, I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. Time for a beer. And I'm gonna show you guys. It's getting a little dusky now. I'm gonna turn the key on. Lights, and then your fog button. And as you can see, they reach insanely far, like really far. And it goes, this is pretty much what it looks like here. There's your driver's side, and your passenger one comes way over here. But that's what they look like when they're on. I'll try to get a little back here so you guys can see. And as you can tell, the headlights, that one actually has a broken seal, so the lights are going to be going, those are like $60 lights. I'm going to be getting probably some $300 ones from Tacoma Beast that have full LED strips in them that look way better. Those things are turds, and I don't like them. So, but that's pretty much what it looks like when they're on. They're bright, and I can always do a follow-up video here to show you guys kind of what they look like when it's completely dark. And I can do that too, but yeah, so that's basically what they look like when they're on and everything. They're pretty bright and a lot better looking than the other ones. So but yeah, that's generally how to hook them up. It's pretty straightforward aside from that clip that you have. You just have to swap the clips over, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, but anyway, it's getting dusky, so stay tuned for my other videos I'm going to be doing. Now that these are done, I'm going to be switching over and getting my LED hood lights installed with my dual battery, my regulator set up, getting all that wiring done up, and getting that finished. And from there, I don't know, probably going to move on. The suspension is going to be coming off. The whole suspension is going to be getting completely rebuilt. We're going to be getting heavy duty springs in the front. Everything's going to be cleaned up. I got a lot of that work to do, along with looking for a bumper and some other stuff. So, but yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. You guys have questions or anything, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll answer them as best I can. But I hope you guys liked the video, and I will talk to you guys later.